Today we came to Wonderfest 2022 in Makahari Mesa. Let's go!
It's kind of cold.
It's pretty cold.
Even though it's super sunny. Wonder Festival. It's finally happening. Yokotta!
いいですね。
あるか。
ダニエルとユカ。
Early Sunday morning, February 6th, 2022, we met up at Nishi-Funabashi Station with one of the largest Japan-based walking video content creators, Rambalak, to attend the Wonder Festival 2022 Winter Expo. We were extremely excited to collaborate with him. The Wonder Festival 2022 Winter Expo was held at the Makuhari Messe event hall, just a short walking distance from Kaihim Makuhari Station. Before we purchased our tickets, we were concerned that it could be a little bit empty, because a number of large vendors had pulled out at the last minute due to growing concerns of the rising cases of the Omicron variant of COVID-19. While there were quite a number of vacant booths, there was still plenty of cool action figurines to film and a decent amount of cosplayers in attendance to take photos of. While the semi-annual event normally takes place in the summer and winter, it was delayed and rebranded as a 2020 autumn event to accommodate the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games, which were also delayed until the following year, July 2021. Wonder Festival organisers also cancelled the Wonder Festival 2021 winter event, which was scheduled to be held on February 7th, 2021. Finally, they switched the Wonder Festival 2021 Autumn Expo to an online event, which was held on October 9, 2021. This meant that there was a lot of pent-up demand for Wonder Festival 2022 Winter Expo to actually take place. Luckily, it was not cancelled this time because Tokyo was no longer under a strict state of emergency lockdown. Let's get started exploring Wonder Festival 2022 Winter Expo together.
再度ご案内いたします。ただいまご案内しておりますのは、チケットの集合区分のアルファベットが A から H および Z のチケットをお持ちのお客様は、前の方と間隔を空けていただきまして、
We can finally go in! Yay!
What
Our
time
end
is it?
ticket. It is 11 o'clock. We've been waiting for like an hour and 20 minutes.
美味しい？
枕として春に発売
できたね。As a pillow だって。
It's a pillow. Is it
Yeah, but
soft?
this is not soft. So they give a big soft one.
Neku. Neku pillow.
Monster Hunter pillow.
抜けるかこのペン
あ、いいじゃん。抜ける Can you pull it out? あ、抜けたあ、いいですねいいですねよかったですねすごい Was it heavy? いえ、ありがとうございます。お姉さんは何の衣装なんですか？
オリジナル
オリジナル
作るのが好きなんで
あ、自分で作ったんですよすごいねだってすごいこれも作ったのあ、気づいてくれた嬉しいすごいかわいい手作り
手作り
キャンプね
あります逆関節動物ってみんな後ろ足犬とか
So this is like a animal joint だって
すごい高い。8万。
Sonic and Shadow. Look at how detailed that is. Card Captor Sakura. Baby Yoda, also known as Grogu. Chubby collection. US Navy. Wow. This is pretty cool. Nissan. Nande? I don't know. Oh, is this like an AI robot kind of thing? Sugoi. Is this like a VTuber kind of thing? Cutie Roid project. Yay! What's her name? Katsuki. Stegosaurus.
Evangelion Figure World. That looks pretty cool. What? Shinji? Hard to see. Arkham Knight.
donate blood. Kakoi, kakoi. Kai. Yeah. Very cool. Wow, the eyes look so realistic. The reflection. Know that they had weapons. Say the Saturn A seems to have a weapon. Kawaii goes under Panza. Kawaii. Solid Snake, Psycho Mantis. Oh, look at this, look at this. See, this is Silent Hill. There's Pyramid Head. This is Castlevania. Richter Belmont. And Dracula. Alucard. Oh boy, that's so cool. Alucard and Richter Belmont. Like all the parts. Like the mold. Wow, that's pretty interesting, Ah, look at it. Is it a mold injection printer or something? Oh, look, see? Right. These are uses the software.